Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this Renault Megane and it's the Megane 3, and we have installed a screen in the car from factory. The car has only this unit. It was just a clock thing with normal radio. We have removed its radio unit and installed this storage box here, and we have installed the screen above here, and the lights or the informations for the seat belt airbag has been shifted down. As you can see here, I have right now my phone is connected. If I see here, there is a volume control as well, the steering wheel buttons. So here you can see the volume buttons and everything is working, plus all the things I have in my mobile phone, they are available here through Apple CarPlay. It's wireless. You can see here, if I go back on the main menu, I have like the home menu of the Android screen. I have settings, Bluetooth, music, I have radio. All the original functions are available here. I don't think so it contains any kind of music files, but we can test. No, there is no music file here. Then we can go to the here, it's a radio. I need to scan and save the stations first to use the radio, but here's the radio, works as normal. We have like the internal storage menu file. Here you can see all the storage files. We have music shortcut, radio shortcut. This is a speed gadget thing. We have like different kind of other Android applications as well, like navigation, Bluetooth music, radio. We have video. I can see if we have some video file. Yes, we have a video file here. So I'll close back this one. So then again, if I will go back, you can watch the video in the picture form as well. Picture in picture is available in the screen. Plus we have different themes. You can change the appearance of this whole thing. There are lots of themes available here. You can see here. Then we have Bluetooth music, video, settings, equalizer, aux. We have air conditioning app, manual. We have Android Auto. We have AirPlay. If you want to watch video from mobile phone, it will appear here. Android Link, Apple CarPlay. We have DAB. We have lots of applications. You have Play Store here. You can download any kind of application from the Play Store you want. You can watch video while driving. You can watch YouTube, and other things are available here as well, like Spotify, vehicle settings, and voice search. So if you have any questions, queries, you can ask us in the description below. I will be happy to answer you. So that's the video for today. See you next time in another car. Bye bye.